name's Risha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be getting into the Makeup by Mario foundation. Here it is. Alright, so I'm going to be looking at my phone to keep me on track for the notes that I have, just to be able to give my honest review of the product, non-biased, non-sponsored, all of that. So my opinion you can trust. So let's go over first just quick specs of the foundation. It costs $42 for the bottle. You can find it at Sephora or on makeupbymario.com. And
the foundation claims to reveal skin's natural luminosity. Featuring moisture grip technology, the foundation hydrates skin for 12 hours and glides on easily for customizable coverage. Layer it on or shear it out. The buildable formula works harmoniously with powders and creams to recreate Mario's signature techniques while staying true to its original color. Available in 30 flexible shades.
Alright, so this foundation, I should have read the shorter description, but I'll give you guys a long one. But basically it's supposed to be very luminous, breathable foundation, buildable, but still give that lone coverage. And I've been wearing it now for about, I think this is going on hour 7 of having it on, and I intentionally did not reapply any powder or like fix my makeup at all, just so you're seeing it in real time. This is my makeup untouched all day. It's the end of the day. And so far I love it, quite honestly. So that's like my initial thoughts, is that I'm impressed. So I also wanted to give the disclaimer that, in all fairness, I'm not huge on foundations. So when I was considering getting this product, I kind of waited longer than others did, just simply because like it usually takes a lot for me to really feel moved by a product, because I typically don't like the feeling of it on my skin and in my pores. But this one truly is breathable, lightweight. I feel like I could go another couple of hours and this will be very pretty for like a night out. If you had somewhere to go, be out the house all day, not really want to have to worry about retouching your makeup or getting that oily look or that separation that sometimes happens after wearing foundation out and about all day. I don't feel like this gave that to me, so that's really good. So for me and my shade, I chose 24N. Let me see if this is pointing up correctly. So yes, I got shade 24N, and I chose this shade based on Sephora's recommendation. It had asked for me to share my favorite foundation shade, and then they would match me closest to one that Mario had available. So this was the one. It was 24N. And that was honestly between 24N or 23O, I believe. Honestly, if they had like a combo of the two, that would have been even more perfect, because for me this is honestly more of like my summer shade. I'm a little lighter during the winter. I think like all black girls get just a couple shades lighter during the winter and a little bit deeper during the summer. So sunshine's coming out soon. I felt like I felt more safer going with my summer shade for foundation than I did going my exact color or closer to my color for now. So that's hence why it's a little bit deeper on the skin when I first apply, but not too bad of a match at all. So that made it really easy. And then also I would recommend that, like, if you are somebody who is a little unsure about which foundation shade to choose from, to go ahead and just like use the samples. I would ask for a couple samples just to be able to see, because I know that there were some of the other ladies when I was watching reviews and people were trying out the product, was that like they were going out and buying the bottle and then coming home away from the big lights in Sephora and not liking the way it looked at all. So I would take some time to just kind of play with this, see how you like it, choose between a shade that maybe matches closest to your color and then a shade that maybe is a little bit darker. And I recommend that, especially since season's about to change, and you know, like I said, I think we all have like that winter shade versus our summer shade. So you're gonna want to get closer to the deeper shade versus lighter, because it is easier to work with a foundation that's deeper versus a foundation that's too light for you. So yeah, so overall my opinions about it is that it's super beautiful, wonderful finish. If this ends up being an empty, then you know, like, I don't mind repurchasing, but for right now, like, this is worth the hype. Absolutely passed the hype check for me. I do want to say though, because it is like a luminous type of foundation and it does give the shimmer and all that, if you do have more oily skin, I feel like I would definitely stick to a sample first and seeing how it does for you before buying a bottle. I haven't really seen a lot of reviews from a lot of really like oily skin girls. I myself am combo, so I don't really have too much oil outside of like my T-zone area, but that would be my caution, is like if you find yourself having oilier skin, I would sample first before buying the bottle, because I haven't really seen how that works and I don't have the skin to be able to tell you, but that is something I would caution against. But yeah, so absolutely, I think this is a win. So let me know in the comments if you guys like the foundation, if you're waiting to try it, like, you know, let me know what it is. Also, if there's any foundations that you've tried that you love that feel the same type of way as like Makeup by Mario, this one, the foundation, please let me know. I'm willing to try some other ones as well, because this one is definitely feeling like a win. So yeah, hope that's helpful. I already paid the poke. Niggas is